this is the second part of TIS-100. I will start a new program and I'll talk about how to solve it. So it asks us to read a value from in.a, double the value, write the value to out.a. So I'll actually reference the manual. So in the manual, we have an accumulator register. If we scroll up, it's a primary store register. It's used as an implicit source. So whenever you use, for example, add, it'll use the accumulator register. I guess that's what I'll call an ACK accumulator. And so if you have experience with x86 or x64, it would be EAX or AX, kind of, in a way. So it's a general purpose register. Then you have back. It's temporary storage, but you can't access it directly using read-write. Cannot be read or written directly. So you have to use save and swap, and that has its own instructions. So we need ACK right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to move from up, so from in.a into the accumulator register. I'm going to have to double it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the accumulator to the accumulator. And then I'll move the accumulator down. And then from up, I'll move down, move up to right, move left, down. So let's just think about this. Let's have a quick reference for ACK again. Sorry, add. So add left, the value from the left is added to the accumulator, but we can add ACK. So it'd be ACK plus ACK, that's double that. We'll move it down. So that should be the correct solution. So if we fast forward, that's it, that's correct. And that's the second part of the video. Thank you for watching.